Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our anticipated Prime Day workshop deals. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a hobbyist, or a pro craftsman, this is your chance to snag the best tools and equipment to take your workshop game to the next level. But hurry up, these amazing deals won't last forever. Here are the best ones you can get from the Prime Day. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The 7th anticipated Prime Day deal in our list is the Worx Nitro Cordless Crown Stapler, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. For maximum efficiency when working on wooden projects, we have the Worx Nitro Cordless Crown Stapler. This unit can fasten a wide range of crown stapes from 1/4 of an inch to 9/16 of an inch. On top of that, it can also brad nails at 19/32 of an inch, making it a highly versatile model. Now let's talk about efficiency, because the Nitro is a real powerhouse. This model can fire up to 80 nails or staples every minute, ensuring you can breeze through your projects in no time. And get this, with its 2.0 ampere battery, you can fire up to 2,000 shots in a single charge. Plus, you'll love how quickly the battery charges up. In just 1 hour, it's ready to go again, so you can keep nailing and stapling without any downtime. When it comes to functionality, this crown stapler features easy squeeze triggers that ensure minimal fatigue, while its tool-free depth adjustment knob allows you to set it precisely to your liking. It even has a see-through magazine window that allows you to see how many nails or staples you've left. With an ergonomic grip, you'll be able to handle this unit comfortably despite long working hours. A quick load magazine also helps you save time and energy, allowing you to get back to work immediately. As for size, this unit measures 8.9 by 6.54 by 7.76 inches and weighs 3 pounds and 14 ounces with the battery installed. One small limitation we did notice was that the gun is relatively heavy, so it's best used by larger individuals. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for those into woodworking, since a lot of hammering can be time and energy consuming. The 6th anticipated Prime Day deal in our list is the MaXpeedingrods portable inverter generator, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. This power supply by MaXpeedingrods is a highly versatile model that's capable of powering almost anything. It offers 3,500 peak watts and 3,000 running watts, allowing it to power a small house, an RV, various power tools, and more. To back up its efficiency, it's worth noting that this generator features an eco mode that extends its runtime up to 8.3 hours at 25% load or 4.5 hours at 50% load. On top of that, its inverter technology allows for a safe, high-quality current to ensure that no electronic device is damaged. Next, let's talk about the impressive features of this generator. It's equipped with a 120-volt, 30-ampere RV outlet, perfect for powering up your recreational vehicle on your outdoor adventures. But that's not all. It also boasts 2 120-volt, 20-ampere outlets, giving you plenty of options for connecting different electrical tools and equipment. And hey, they even threw in 2 5-volt DC USB outlets so you can conveniently charge your devices on the go. As for its safety features, the MaXpeedingrods boasts an overload LED alert, a low oil level alert, and a carbon monoxide emission alarm that automatically shuts the unit down whenever it detects carbon monoxide leaks. With a low noise level of 58 decibels, it also only operates as loud as a normal conversation or running dishwasher. Finally, size-wise, this unit measures 18.9 by 11.4 by 17.3 and weighs 47 pounds. It does have a minor drawback though. This unit doesn't feature an hour track meter, so you'll have to manually time how long it has been running. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for individuals who do a lot of traveling while they continue to work on various projects. The 5th anticipated Prime Day deal in our list is the Amazon Basics Collapsible Folding Outdoor Utility Wagon, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Imagine a scenario where you have a multitude of tools or items to transport and your hands simply can't bear the load. That's where the Amazon Basics Utility Wagon comes to the rescue. This versatile collapsible wagon features an extendable and durable steel tube with a comfortable plastic handle, ensuring an ergonomic grip and effortless maneuverability. Whether you're navigating through rough terrain or crowded spaces, this utility wagon makes it a breeze. Convenience is paramount, and the Amazon Basics Utility Wagon doesn't disappoint. It boasts a simple folding and unfolding mechanism that allows you to effortlessly collapse the wagon for easy storage. Slip it into the included storage bag, and you have a compact and portable solution ready to go whenever you need it. Let's not forget about its impressive load capacity. This utility wagon can carry up to an impressive 265 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of items and tasks. In terms of dimensions, the Amazon Basics collapsible folding outdoor utility wagon measures a generous 40.9 by 20 by 27.6 inches, providing ample space for your belongings. What's more, it weighs a mere 18.26 pounds, ensuring easy transportation and handling. Now, it's important to address a minor drawback we encountered during our testing. Unfortunately, the package did not include an instruction manual, which meant we had to figure out the assembly process on our own. While it may cause some initial confusion, rest assured that with a bit of patience and common sense, you'll be able to set it up quickly and easily. The trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this for those who carry a lot of equipment around the house to complete various projects. The fourth anticipated Prime Day deal in our list is the Greenworks Cordless String Trimmer and Leaf Blower, which TrustedShoppingGuy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. If you're looking for the ultimate combination of trimming and blowing power, look no further than the Greenworks Trimmer and Leaf Blower. This versatile model is packed with 40 volts of power, allowing it to run up to 110 miles per hour and 390 CFM for high-powered leaf blowing. It is equipped with a brushless motor that offers more than 2 times more torque, quieter operation, and an extended lifespan. The 12-inch cordless string trimmer also features a front-mount motor to ensure optimum balance as it operates. A variable speed trigger allows you to run it at your preferred speed, while a cruise control adds to its convenient functionality. As for size, this unit measures 64.5 by 7.5 by 5 inches while weighing 16.53 pounds. On the flip side, there's one thing we need to address: the battery life of this unit. While it does an outstanding job in terms of performance, it's important to note that it runs for approximately 25 minutes in a full charge. So if you have longer tasks or projects ahead, it's wise to have some spare batteries on hand. But don't worry, with a little extra preparation, you can keep the momentum going and make the most out of this trimmer and blower combo. The trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this for homeowners who want a lightweight blower that still offers robust power. The third anticipated Prime Day deal in our list is the Worx Pegasus folding work table and Sawhorse, which TrustedShoppingGuy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. The Worx Pegasus folding work table and Sawhorse boasts durability and functionality in a single compact unit. Let's talk about the impressive capabilities of this model. As a work table, it can handle a remarkable 300 pounds of weight, providing a sturdy and reliable surface for your projects. But that's not all. When transformed into a Sawhorse, it can support an incredible weight of up to 1,000 pounds. Plus, switching between the two modes is a breeze, giving you the flexibility you need. And to top it off, this unit is constructed from molded ABS with steel supported fittings, ensuring its durability and longevity. You'll also be able to find 2 custom clamps integrated into the unit. What's great about these clamps is that they stay attached even when you fold the table into a Sawhorse configuration, ensuring their longevity and eliminating the risk of misplacing them. Unlike detachable clamps, these integrated clamps are always ready to assist you during your projects, making your work more efficient and hassle-free. It's the little touches like these that make a big difference in the overall user experience. Now let's talk about the portability and convenience of this unit. Despite its solid and sturdy build, you'll be pleasantly surprised by how lightweight it is. Weighing in at just 25 pounds, this makes it incredibly easy to carry and transport wherever your projects take you. Plus, thanks to its foldable design, you can effortlessly collapse it into a compact size, allowing for hassle-free storage in your workshop or garage. Finally, located at the bottom of the unit, you'll even see a platform where you can conveniently place your important items to keep them within arm's reach. As for size, this unit measures 25 by 32.01 by 30.98 inches and weighs 29.7 pounds. Now, we did notice one limitation. This table is a bit short, so it can be a bit hard for tall people to use. The trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this for serious workshop enthusiasts who are fond of doing large projects. The second anticipated Prime Day deal in our list is Greenworks Pro 80-volt cordless lawn mower, which TrustedShoppingGuy.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. When it comes to efficiency and functionality, the Greenworks Pro lawn mower truly stands out. This mower is equipped with 2 powerful 80-volt 2-ampere batteries, providing a combined runtime of up to 60 minutes. you can confidently tackle large lawns without worrying about running out of power. The Greenworks Pro Lawnmower features a true brushless motor which delivers double the torque, increased power, and quieter operation. It also ensures longer run times and extended motor life, making it a highly reliable machine that'll serve you for years to come. Durability is a key aspect of this mower. With its 21-inch durable steel deck, it can handle even the toughest of mowing tasks. Rest assured that your mower will remain well protected and ready to tackle any challenge. Versatility is another highlight of the Greenworks Pro Lawn Mower. It offers 3-in-1 functionality with a rear bag, a mulching option, and a side discharge. This allows you to adapt to different mowing needs with ease and convenience. One feature that our team particularly appreciates is the unit's vertical storage capacity. This allows you to save valuable space in your tool shed, keeping your workspace organized and efficient. In terms of size, the Greenworks Pro 80-volt cordless lawn mower measures 34 by 24 by 43.3 inches, providing ample coverage for your lawn. It weighs 79.5 pounds, which ensures stability and durability during operation. Let's talk about a tiny detail we noticed during our testing. We want to be thorough, so here it is. The Greenworks Pro Lawnmower doesn't have a self-propulsion feature. Yes, you'll have to provide the pushing power to move it around your yard. But hey, let's not sweat the small stuff here. With its lightweight design and outstanding performance, it's a small trade-off for the quality and results you'll get. So while it's worth mentioning, we still think this mower is a winner overall. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for large-sized lawns that need continuous maintenance. The best anticipated Prime Day deal on our list is the Streamlight 44931 Siege Lantern, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. In times of emergency, having reliable and convenient lighting is essential. That's why the Streamlight Siege Lantern is a true lifesaver. This rugged and cordless model runs on alkaline batteries, providing 360 degrees of soft and even light to illuminate a large area. Let's talk about its impressive brightness settings. The highest setting produces a remarkable 540 lumens, allowing you to see your surroundings with clarity. With a running time of 30 hours, you can rely on this lantern for extended periods. The medium brightness setting offers 275 lumens, ensuring a balanced level of illumination for up to 70 hours. And for longer durations, the lowest setting provides 55 lumens, offering a subtle glow that can last an impressive 595 hours. Durability is a key feature of the Streamlight Siege Lantern. Constructed with a tough polycarbonate thermoplastic body and elastomer overmold, along with polycarbonate lenses, this lantern can withstand rough handling in adverse conditions. Featuring 5 power LEDs, 1 red and 4 white, this model provides you with versatile lighting options for any situation you may encounter. Additionally, the power button includes a battery level indicator, allowing you to monitor the remaining power at a glance. Another noteworthy feature is a removable polycarbonate cover, which reduces glare and ensures even light distribution. This cover also allows the lantern to float in water, providing peace of mind in the event of accidental drops. With its IP67 waterproof rating, the lantern can be submerged in less than 1 meter of water without compromising its functionality. For easy portability, the Streamlight Siege Lantern is designed with an ergonomic handle. This allows you to move it around with ease or conveniently hook it to ropes, cables, or pipes. In terms of size, this lantern measures a compact 4x4 by 7.25 inches, making it highly portable and easy to store. It weighs just 14.1 ounces, ensuring it won't weigh you down during use. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. While the Streamlight Siege Lantern may be a bit pricier compared to other options on the market, it's important to remember that you won't find anything else that matches its heavy-duty build and exceptional performance. Investing in this lantern means investing in reliability and durability that'll last for years. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for those who do their projects professionally and can't let anything get in the way of their deadlines. And there you have it, folks. Our anticipated Prime Day workshop deals, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next anticipated Prime Day workshop deals roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.